In this video, I want to show you an example of a common Fiverr strategy to increase your sales and the conversion rate of your gig, and through that to get your gig to rank higher. And that is to have something like this on your sales page: contact me before ordering, or contact me with any questions. And by the way, I don't know the seller. I'm just using this purely as an example. It's just the first time I've come around this person. I've happened to click on them, they had that, and that's what I wanted to show you. You'll see this sort of a thing a lot on Fiverr. The reason people do this is because when they message you, you can explain to them your service, and you can explain to them everything and answer their questions and convince them to buy your service. So it's actually going to help you boost your conversion rate. Obviously, that's going to immediately help you make more money just by having more sales. But secondarily, it will help you with your SEO, because you're earning more money, because you have a higher sales conversion rate through your gig. Because of all those factors, it's actually going to help the gig rank higher. And that's why a lot of people do this. Now, I don't do this. Why? Because I don't have time to sit and message back and forth with a lot of people. In my case, I just can't, because it's not my main business. But if you're starting out, or you really want to focus on growing Fiverr, and it's really important for you, you might want to put something like this, because it makes you more approachable, it makes you friendlier, and it helps you win a lot of clients over your competitors, because there's no service today that doesn't have competitors. To give you an example, I was actually ordering some service for myself as a buyer just yesterday, and I contacted 5 different sellers, just asking them some questions. Within an hour, all of them replied. So there's usually a very high reply rate. To make your reply rate high and to make you competitive with other sellers, you should get the Fiverr mobile app. From the Fiverr mobile app, you can answer messages immediately right away. So you'll always be competitive with other sellers. Just because all the people who replied to me, I started dealing with them first and I bought from them. And then people who replied even like 30 minutes late, I was like, I already bought something, it's too late. So it's very important to answer quickly. To get the Fiverr mobile app, all you have to do is, if you're on iPhone, you search for Fiverr in the App Store. And if you're on Android, I'll show you how to find it on Android, just because Android has a friendlier web interface. All you do is search for the word Fiverr. Obviously, the very first app that comes up is the Fiverr app. I have this installed, and it sends push notifications whenever I have a message. And so I can answer messages within moments, and then I'm competitive when people message me. Me personally, I try to keep the conversations brief. If you need the sales, answer as many questions in detailed manner as possible. And that will help you make more money immediately and boost SEO for your gigs.